So I was snow blowing the other day and the auger stopped working, so I figured it was the belt. So this is a Snowflite MTD 1986 snowblower. So to check your belt, first you want to take off this cover here. There's 4 bolts, 2 on this side here, and 2 on this side here and here. You take that off. This cover pops right off. You have 2 belts. You got your drive belt here and your auger belt here. So I already replaced mine, but so the belt was broken. So I looked online. This is the part you need, the belt. So I got that. And to get it down in here, this plate here, right here, is on a spring. So you can take your crowbar, go in there, and push it apart to get some extra room. And slide this belt right down in there. So the trickiest part with this is there's these 4 bolts here. There's 1 here, you can see, 1 on the other side, and 2 on the bottom. So what I found was the easiest is if you go underneath. If you have a lift, this would be easier, but I tipped mine up quick. So underneath, you got these 2 bolts here, and here's where the belt and the pulley is. So I found it easiest to take these bolts out, slide the belt in, put these bolts back in, once you get it all back up, you'll have your belt. You can have it on the other side of this, and if you just pull, the belt will snap right into the pulley. So it's real easy. Then to get this off, or get the belt on, you can slide it in on one side and then pull this over and it latches right in. Make sure that you take your spark plug off so you don't accidentally start the motor. So just wanted to let you guys know, I found it easiest to take that bolts out. Some other videos just said to try and work a screwdriver in there, but I found that was pretty tough. So take a little extra time and take those bolts out. It's a lot easier. So there you go.